memories. Yeah. Don't be anxious about the future now. The past make you a little sad now. So much times has gone, good times has gone. The moment is all you ever hope you know. So in the moment, your past is filled with memories. Yeah, so much memories, good memories. It's been the moment. You have to gain now, and trust me, it's a blessing. From the bad things, I hope you learn the lessons. Oh, your past in life destined moment. Yeah, the future's coming, and there's no running from the past. Yeah, oh, I wish this moment would really, really last. I say just in a moment, yeah. Past is filled with good memories, yeah. Good memories, yeah.